gentle behavior therapy. I've been trained in exposure and response prevention for OCD. And that is when you expose someone to that which they fear. Their distress goes up. Now, we have a scale called subjective units of distress, and that goes from 0 to 10. I always ask someone when they're thinking of their obsession, when they're feeling it, when they're thinking it, what is your distress rate right now on a 0 to 10 scale? And they might say, oh, I feel terrible. I feel a 9. I feel an 8 if 10's the most. And then I say, okay, now we're going to slowly expose you to the trigger that causes your fear and prevents you from doing your ritual. You won't be able to reassure yourself. You won't be able to follow through on the behavioral portion. You won't be able to do a mental ritual, and you're going to have to sit there and feel this distress for anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour and wait for the desensitization, which is bringing your cortisol level down to a distress level of maybe 3 or 4. Here's the point. With exposure and response prevention, it takes a while and you feel miserable. Well, 20 years ago, in 1996, when I first was taught emotional freedom techniques, and it was able, not in all cases, but in most cases, it was able to bring that distress level down faster so that the cortisol level didn't stay up there. This is what gentle behavior therapy is all about, combining EFT with exposure and response prevention so that you don't stay up there at high stress levels for a long period of time. Now, why do I do this? Because I don't want your cortisol levels up there. I don't want your limbic system to get stressed out. I don't want you to feel this way for a really long time. But I do want you to be able to face your fears without distress and realize that they're just thoughts and fears and they can't hurt you, so you don't have to do your compulsion. You don't have to do your ritual. That's what gentle behavior therapy is. Gentle behavior therapy is facing your fear but bringing that distress level down quickly so you don't have to sit there for an hour and habituate to the distress and whack out your limbic system and whack out your cortisol. I don't like that. So this is all about gentle behavior therapy for bringing down your distress level quickly and easily and gently, then being able to face your fears with confidence. And then, guess what? No compulsion. So let's go ahead and see what comes up in the next lecture, because here we go. I'm going to take you through all of these lectures and teach you how to do this. We're going to have some fun. Okay, thanks a lot.